In this video, I'll show you how to create an ACI eManifest with an ATA-Carnet shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. An ATA-Carnet is a release type and an international customs document that allows for the temporary importation of goods into Canada. Carnets are typically used for commercial samples, professional equipment, and goods for use at exhibitions or fairs, for example. The goods can be imported under a carnet for a period of up to 1 year, depending on the validity period specified. Carnets are obtained by the party temporarily importing the goods, and in most cases not the highway carrier. So the importer should inform the carrier that this is the shipment type being used, and provide them with the carnet document, as the driver will need that at the time of arrival. So now that you know the basics, let's shift gears and I'll show you how to process an ACI eManifest in BorderConnect. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, then tap ACI eManifests and select Start New ACI eManifest. And after you enter all your trip information, scroll to the bottom, and since there's an ATA-Carnet shipment that needs to be created, tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment. And to learn how to enter ACI trip information, tap the link at the top of the video now. Starting from the top, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PARS as that's the most common shipment type, but since this is an ATA-Carnet, tap the shipment type and change it to an ATA-Carnet. Next, enter your cargo control number. And if you're hauling another carrier shipment, just tap the carrier code to change it. Now enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment. You can look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. We're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so go to the bottom of the page and tap Save and Add Commodity. Here enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. Then go to the bottom and tap Save and back to ACI eManifest. If you had additional shipments to add here, you'd tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment. However, in this tutorial, it's only the ATA-Carnet shipment that'll be created, so tap Save and back to ACI eManifest. Here you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. And if any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do so here. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBSA. So at the top, tap Sync with CBSA, where your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars transmitted. And after approximately 2 to 3 minutes, CBSA should accept your manifest, and the status will then move to 3 blue bars on file with CBSA. And it'll remain at that status until the driver arrives at the first port of arrival, since there are no transaction numbers associated with ATA-Carnet shipments. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, arrival reported at border, and lastly, when the driver crosses, will change to 6 green bars, released. Congratulations! You've successfully created an ACI eManifest with an ATA-Carnet shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two, and of course, if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. And to learn how to create and submit an ATA-Carnet using a laptop or a desktop, tap the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.